I love coffee, especially first thing in the morning for a little pick-me-up. But lately I feel like I need more and more of it just to get through the day. I know that it's not the best way to get energy and that having too much caffeine isn't good for me. So I talked to my doctor and he recommended I take CoQ10 every day.
You know you're right. The caffeine you get from coffee and most energy drinks only gives you a burst of energy with sudden crashes soon after. But CoQ10 works at the cellular level, helping your mitochondria convert sugar and fats into usable energy. That's why we find it concentrated in your brain, liver, kidneys, and your heart. But as you age, the body's levels of CoQ10 decline.
There are so many products out there. I'm not sure which is the right one for me. What makes Life Extension's CoQ10 different?
Well, we believe the ubiquinol variety of CoQ10 is the best form. Clinical studies show that ubiquinol absorbs at a much higher rate compared to the conventional ubiquinol form. We've also added Shilajit for even more cellular energy output. Shilajit helps deliver CoQ10 directly to your mitochondria and supercharges them.
I started with 50 milligrams and I feel great. And my doctor said that if I need more energy, I can switch to 100 milligrams. The best part? Now that I have more energy, I can enjoy my coffee for the taste.